Hello, hello, hello! Tarang puntahan ng Ugong Rock Adventure! Napakaganda dyan. Itong unang bubungad sa inyo, ang kanilang mapa ng Pilipinas. Mapa nila kung ano po ang mga activities at gagawin nyo sa looban. Ay, nako, nakaka-enjoy yan. Yun yung mga first day ko sa Puerto Princesa. Relaxing ang kanilang venue at napakadaming Greenwich. Kasi po nasa likod niyan yung kabundukan at mayroon silang mga gear station kung saan kayo magsusot ng yung mga safety nyo pag pumanik ng kabundukan, sumakay ng mga zipline. O, diba? Napakaganda po ng kanilang venue, relaxing po. At yung kubo na yan, dyan po kayo magsisimulang mag-orientation. O, diba? Complete ang gear mo. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Kasi baka mapano ka kung nasa taas ka na, diba? O, meron ding comfort room dyan. Kaya wala kayong dapat alalahanin. Yun nga lang, may bayad. Lahat po ng comfort room dyan, lahat may bayad. Ayan, nagpe-prepare na sila ng ating orientation. Makinig kayo para po next time, alam nyo din ang gagawin nyo. Napaka-importante po ng orientation. Hindi yan po pwedeng wala, lalo na kayo mga turista. Kaya, let's watch, listen, and see.
Our Superman
Fantastic plan. It was very good.
that's the seating position. Before mag-zipline, you need to climb the Harris Mountain po. Gradual walking pataas.
Scary the first second and then really good after.
It's really fantastic. That's amazing thing about this tour.
Take the challenge. Experience the fun. Try it out. Feel the adrenaline rush. Express yourself in the most exciting way. This is adventure. This is fun. This is Ugong Rock.
That's our community, very cooperative po.
It is all worth it in 3 easy steps. Sign in.
You wear hard cotton gloves before you enter the cave.
Take a hard hat and gloves.
That's the cave entrance. And that's inside the cave. And that's the spilang part. That's the 7th step. And the jellyfish formation, every layer of that, there's a sound set.
And the activity that you pay for goes to the community.
After yung paniki ng bundok, kailangan nyo mag-zipline. Kung hindi, ba kayo ulit doon? Ay, ayaw ko na. Nakaka-enjoy po yan. Meron silang sitting position, meron silang lying position, at sa kanilang meron silang mga butterfly, o Superman daw na style. Ganon din yun. Ayan ang kanilang Superman. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Hope nag-enjoy kayo. More videos to come. Share, likes, and comment. Don't forget to follow me for more.